Hello everyone, I am Sakshi from Serene Spaces Private Limited. I am an architect and interior designer. We are here at Defense Colony to shoot a project that is PTIC. So client has briefed like they wanted light colors in the office, they wanted more and more award to display. They have approx 200 awards to display. So we have created more storage area, more display area in this office. And if I say about the color theme, we have used minimal colors. We have used a hint of blue colors in this office. And if I brief about the reception area, so in this table we have used this stone laminate, and we have highlighted this area with golden profiling. Then this is the fluted panel that we have used. Now coming to the reception wall, we have created it beautifully, and the reason why we have used this fluted glass and textured glass is that it is reflecting the light and the area is looking bigger, and I don't want a client or anyone to come downstairs and just bump into the solid wall. So I have placed a beautiful glass wall over here. Now if we talk about the award display, in this reception area only, you can see we have created two display units, one on right side, one on left side, and this display unit is acting as a partition also. We are displaying the awards and keeping it as a partition wall also. And we have used a woody texture over here, which is looking very subtle, not very loud, and balancing the theme. Here we have created a sitting area for our visitors. Okay, if we talk about the workstation area, so we have placed a light plus fan over here. This is a very best example of light plus fan. This is a new idea and very innovative. And this is the workstation area that we have created. This is how we have created a creamish and white and a blue contrast furniture. Then coming on this area, so if we talk about the storage area, let me take you to the storage area. This is the storage unit that we have used over here, and we have used the slider over here so that the client can utilize the space more and without creating any hindrance. In workstation area, you can see we have placed drawers over here, not the full slider. Another use of this storage unit, you can see we have hide the MCB rocks over here behind this, right? And we have displayed the awards like this in this area. We have used the space in a very creative manner and hidden the column behind this shelf. We have used a fin partition over here. This is a 45-degree angled fins that we have used between our toilet area and discussion area. So basically we have used this partition to divide the private and public area. So behind this partition, we have placed all the utility area, the washrooms and pantry over here. And then we have VIP's very important storage units over here. Let me take you to the washrooms. So we are entering in female washroom. We have used a rustic theme over here, rustic plus luxurious. We have kept a very matte and rustic tiles on walls. And if I say about the accent wall, we have used a fluted panel over this wall on vanity wall, and these are the accent light that we have used to make it look more luxurious. Okay, so in GM cabin, if I talk about the color palette, we have used earthy palette over here, right? And if we talk about the material that we have used in this area, is that we have used laminates in this area. Like you can see stone laminate and you can see mocha brown color here. Okay, so this is our award display unit, and we have used fluted panel on the back side. Okay, and we have highlighted each and every award in this unit. We have used gold profile on edge. This is giving a very luxurious look to our cabin, and credenza is playing the main role to create this area more luxurious, feel more luxurious in this area. Then coming to our next cabin. So welcome to our empty cabin, and this is our empty cabin, and we kept GM and MD cabin in same theme. We have used award unit on both sides, you can see, and we have used similar fluted pattern in this unit also, and similar gold finish in this unit also, and similar laminate, stone laminate we have used in this area. Behind the shutter we have good storage. Then this is our empty table. We have used lacquer glass in this table, and we have used a very premium chair in this area so that area can look more luxurious. So coming to our small meeting area, we have kept it all white, you can see, and we have used accent blue shade in this area, right? Then this is our lacquer glass we have used for meeting, right? A circular table over here. So hello sir.
Hi.
Okay, so I just want to ask, how was your experience working with us, and कैसा लगा आपको the office? How is the environment and the process and everything? Did you like the interiors and the work done by Serene?
It was really great. People are appreciating. सबसे अच्छा ये लगता है कि मेरा जो client आता है वो आके बहुत appreciate करता है.
Thank you so much.
So the best, what I discover, everybody is talking about positive vibes.
Yes, that is important in an office, right?
In an office. So positive vibes लाना बहुत difficult है.
Right.
For which I am thankful to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
आपका सबसे अच्छा जो मुझे लगा, the colors what you have chosen, and I mean I never anticipated what kind of this reception will come. And जब आपने ये drawing दिखाई थी तो मुझे लगा था in such a small space how can you bring such a big reception?
Right.
So मतलब मैं visualize भी नहीं कर पा रहा था. जब ये बन के निकला है तो oh my God. Amazing.
Thank you so much, sir.
So I liked it.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words means a lot. Thank you. Hope you like the design and the execution done by Team Serene. For more information, you can contact on the number given below. Thank you.